Hi everyone, I am Rovi Babu of NeuralPath team and my team members are Siddharth and Ibrai. We have developed a new project which is NeuralPath AI. It is an AI-driven onboarding system that analyzes a person's resume by comparing with the job description and the catalog provided at the backend, which gives us the rating and the final output, what the actual person should learn and what he is lacking from the requirements provided. The problem here is, traditionally, the company uses a 50-page dictionary in order to hire people. The new hire undergoes all kind of things which can be already known. Even though he knows something, he needs to study that, which is an inefficient way and it causes a heavy loss for the company. So we have identified the problems and we have overcome through our new project, which is NeuralPath AI. Let us see our project in detail.
NeuralPath AI is an adaptive onboarding engine. Instead of giving every new hire the same generic manual, our AI analyzes them individually. By comparing their skills against the job description and company's internal catalog, it identifies exactly what they actually know and what skills they lack. This is a dashboard and we have built it professionally and very clean for easy use. Here is how it works. A manager just uploads the resume and the job description. Our AI does not just look for words, it actually understands the person's real world experience and skills. For example, we are going to load demo data and you can see the system diagnostics which is running. Since it is a local AI, it takes some time, but if you want to do it faster, you have an option for Google Gemini here. It is a hybrid system which includes of Google Gemini and local AI QWEN 2.5 billion parameters model. As you can see here, NVIDIA GeForce 1650 is actually working. It is a local AI. Now it is the result page. You can see the topics which he has mastered and which he lacks. And you will also get the rating out of 100. The score might be very low because it is a strict evaluation. The AI compares those files against the company's own training catalog. It identifies exactly what the new hire is missing and builds a custom roadmap. This tells precisely what they need to learn next. We have also integrated a chatbot in which the user can ask questions to it. Everything here is a local AI model. You can find the GPU 0, which is NVIDIA working. So that's it. This is a project.